Meta, the owner of Facebook, has sold Giphy, the GIF search engine, to Shutterstock for $53 million. This comes after Meta's acquisition of Giphy was blocked by regulators, resulting in a loss of over $260 million. The deal was initially valued at about $315 million, but the UK's competition regulator, the Competition and Markets Authority, CMA, prevented the purchase from being completed in 2022. Shutterstock, a stock image service, will pay cash for the acquisition and has agreed to maintain access to Meta's platforms and Giphy's existing user base. The CEO of Shutterstock, Paul Hennessy, sees this as an exciting step for the company, expanding their reach beyond professional marketing and advertising into casual conversations. Meta's acquisition of Giphy was already at a discounted price from its peak valuation of $600 million in 2016, reflecting the declining interest in animated GIFs as a form of self-expression online. In a filing, Meta warned that Giphy would struggle to survive as an independent business and there were few potential buyers. Even Shutterstock acknowledges that the acquisition is unlikely to have an immediate impact on revenue, with monetization efforts expected to take place in 2024. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support small creators.